Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Today is quick and easy day, but I couldn't keep it quick and easy today. I mean, it is easy, but I couldn't keep it quick because, oh my gosh, I thought this would be such a cute little gift idea. So the quick and easy part is I am using the new cracker and treat box dies. Oh my gosh, y'all, these are so cute and so easy. And these could be for any occasion, but for Christmas, it's perfect for a little treat, like a stocking stuffer, or for kids' classrooms would be perfect. It's so cute. I have to show you. I'll show you. This is the die that creates these. And there are also a lot of other pieces here, which you can really snazz this up. I mean, for all different occasions. These are actually in our annual catalog. So they have these little tags, and these are for the sentiments you can add on that. But, oh my gosh, it's just so cute. I didn't realize how darn cute these things were. I always make crackers every Christmas, but I happened to get this die, and I thought I have to share this with you. So here's the part that I had to do. So I'm going to just slide this off because I just made this box and I added it, and I should put some little things on the side here. But look it, I made it to hold 3 different crackers. And you can fill these with all different kinds of candy, but look how adorable these little crackers are. Aren't they so cute? They are so stinking cute. I love them. They fit this box perfectly. So I am going to go ahead and share the box as well for this. And we are going to do both. The cracker is super simple, and I was going to make it simple because today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody who is watching today. I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. And it just came so quick. But Christmas is going to be here before you know it, so we have to get busy on our projects. But I thought this was so cute to fit 3 of the little crackers in, so I went ahead and made a box for it. I'm going to show you something else too. After I run this through, I'm going to show you a little card that I make using the same die. So we're going to use this. I'm using the Santa Express Designer Series paper for all of this. And we're just going to cut this out. I'm going to bring the cut and emboss here and cut it out with you so you can see what I'm talking about by making something else. So this is our cut and emboss machine. This is our large one. We have a mini. And so you're just going to lay it on here and then run it through. And I was just going to share this. You know, my mind just gets going and I just can't. So I'm going to scoot this out of the way. And you're going to have this. And this is all that's left in this piece. I think it's 6 by 5.5. So that's all you need. Even a little 6 by 6 will work for that. But this is your die. And look at all these little pieces here. Do not throw these away. They are perfect for making a card or for using it for another project. Let me scoot this out of the way and I'll show you. So I went ahead and I made this card right here with the ones that I cut just from the 3 that I made in that box. These are all the ones I used, so I had plenty to go across here. And I just used the Believe in the Magic for the outside. I'll put Merry Christmas on the inside, but that one came from the Jingle, Jingle, Jingle. And this little hat I'm also using on the tag. So I'm using Jingle, 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 and then I am using the Merry Christmas from this Frame and Festive. But use the sentiments that you have, and then of course the cracker and treat box dies. So, so cute. So let me go ahead and show you how simple these go through. So you want to, everything's scored on here for you. So you're just going to sharpen all your score marks. I love the little edging on these. It's so cute. And then you're just going to fold. And I'm just using my fingers for this because it's Designer Series paper. And you just need to fold it with your fingers. Then what you're going to do is you are going to add some adhesive. I'm using my Stamp and Seal Plus. And you're just going to put it on the ends here. And then I put a little on the tops here. Just one little. Not where you folded though. And then you're just going to put these together. Line them up. And then I am going to grab my ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and use my usual real red and garden green. I'm going to use the green on this one just to make it a little bit different. And you are going to tie your ribbon around these ends. But fill your candy in. Just tie one end and then fill your candy. And you're just going to pull these together. And look at the top forms right there perfectly. And I'm just knotting this. I'm going to trim these ends. Need my ribbon scissors for this. And fill your candy and then do the other end as well. Y'all, you need this die. It is so good. It's so cute. And then again, just tie a knot there. And then just trim it. You can add a sentiment on here. It has the little dies for the sentiment to fit perfectly on here. You can really jazz these up. But we're making a box for them. I'm only going to make one because I just wanted to show you how super easy these are to put together, and look how adorable they are. All right, so for the box, let's get started. So you are going to need a piece. And I'm using this time shaded spruce in real red. So I already marked these. I put the B here for the bottom so I can keep it straight. And this is 8 1/4 by 7 1/4. And this piece is the top piece. It's 8 5/16 by 7 5/16. I had to use 16ths on this box. I'm sorry. And then to mat the top, it's going to be 4 by 5. All right. We are going to score these. And it's simple scoring, all of them. Once you get your measurements, you're just going to score 1 1/2 on all 4 sides. You're going to do this on both pieces. 1 1/2. And I always mark them so I can keep it straight, which one's my top and bottom, or I will get all messed up. And 1 1/2 on all 4 sides. And that is it. The box is really easy. So then we're going to cut in to that first score mark. And we're going to cut in on all of these 4 sides. So we're going to do these 2 sides. And then these 2 sides. And we're going to do the same thing on this other piece here. I also liked on the top piece, I should have done this before, but I like to cut both ends so the top doesn't show any hangovers on it. So I'm just going to cut a little bit from these sides too. And you can decorate these boxes any way that you like. I'm going to put my T right there because I just cut it off. All right, so now we're going to sharpen all the score marks on both of these boxes. Okay, so we got them both done. We are going to add adhesive to these glue tabs. I even thought about putting a window in them so you could see. But I wanted to keep this easy, so I didn't put a window. We're just decorating it. Line up all your corners. And this time I did the red for the top, and this is the bottom. All right, so these will fit in here, and you're gonna fit, 3 of them will fit in perfectly. And if we did it right, this should fit on really nicely. You have to tuck it in, and then there's our box. So we're gonna mat it. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video, and give it a thumbs up because that really helps my channel. And also, oh no, I'm getting this all stuck. Share if you like the video. I'm going to have to redo the adhesive on here because I didn't get it on straight, and I got to get it on straight. It's going to drive me crazy because I'm definitely using these boxes. All right, let me see if I can do better at this. There we go. Whew. Anybody ever do that? Oh my gosh, I hate when I do that. All right, so I think I'm going to go ahead and use my same ruffled ribbon. This is the real red ruffled ribbon. I don't know, maybe the green would have looked better, but I'm going to go ahead and use the real red. I don't know, I have the green right here. What do you think? Let's do the green. Something a little bit different. Also, if y'all haven't noticed, I have merchandise down in below this video. You'll see where you can purchase some merchandise if you are a gingerbread fan or a snowman fan, or I did another one too for stamping. And I may have some other ones by the time this video goes live. I'm trying to design another shirt. But anyway, I believe it's 35% off of those during Black Friday. So you can just click on them and make your choice. All right, so here is that. We're going to stamp now, and I'm going to stamp with Memento Black. And I'm going to stamp the sentiment. And this sentiment's also from the Framed and Festive. And we're going to punch this out. We're going to make this part easy. Oh, let's do our little Santa hat too, because I did fussy cut this little Santa hat. And you can cut it out with whatever you like, a circle, but I'm using this Label Me Lovely punch because it's a little fancier and it's quick. So I'm going to use some of the real red just to color his hat, my blends. So I'm going to use the light and then just shade it a little bit with the dark. Super quick coloring. Okay, so I need to fussy cut this. Okay, so we are going to, I'm just going to add a little seal on there. We're going to put it right here on the top. I'm going to grab my hole punch here. And I'm going to use my real red Baker's Twine, this red and white. I'll link this in the description. I have all the products that I use that are not Stampin' Up! Listed in there. And you can just click on the link for it. And we're going to add this to here. And I'm just going to tie a bow. And there you go. There's that one. Aren't they cute? and it'd be so cute as a little gift. I hope you all enjoyed this one. If you need any supplies, they're all listed on my blog in the inspiration sheet. This is my November hostess code. If you place an order, I appreciate you using the hostess code. It's on my blog. It's on my Facebook page. Everywhere you look, you're probably going to see my host code for each month. All right, everyone, I hope you have a blessed day. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.